Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the serial number of your LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To find the serial number of your device, we have to close the lid and take a look at the back cover of the laptop. And right here on the back cover we'll find info like model name, model number, manufacturing date, and if you take a closer look you will also find the serial number right here. So as you can see here we have SNINFO, which stands for serial number, and next to it you'll find the device's serial number. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.